Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah here on Facebook. I apologise as I haven't been around much for the past few weeks. I have a lot to catch you guys up on, and I'm not going to catch you all up on everything that's going on today. I am going to catch you up on everything that's going live on in my crazy world tomorrow in my blog post. So this video, if you're watching this live now on Facebook, this will go up onto YouTube probably this afternoon, and but I won't set it live till tomorrow morning because I've got so much to tell you. so much. Hello Vicky, it is so nice to see you. I haven't seen you around for ages. I hope you're really well. So we are at the end of October. Can somebody tell me where 2018 has gone? Because I am now in, yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Completely insane where this year's disappeared to. And it's nearly Christmas, which is also quite scary. So, I haven't got any crafting for you today either. And I'm really sorry I've got no crafting for you, but oh, things have, yeah. So, in a nutshell, where to start? This past week, I've been away. I left home on Tuesday lunchtime, and I didn't get back till really late on Friday night, so I haven't had time to craft or do anything all week. Yesterday, I spent driving to Newcastle and back, and then spending an awful lot of money. So it's been a bit crazy, so I haven't actually made anything for Facebook Live this week. I'm hoping that I'm going to have some projects for you for this coming week. Some sneaky peeks might be up here. I'll show you this one. I'll show you this one first. This is my project for my Inspire Create blog post on Wednesday. It's going to be backwards because that's how Facebook works. But isn't that, I just love that. I made that this morning, quite proud of that. New product on there because that's what I want to tell you about, because I haven't got anything to kind of make with you this week. And actually this is going to be my last Facebook Live for a little while, because we might be moving. We might actually be getting out of this flat. So I am super hopeful that we should be hopefully in our new place by Christmas. Fingers crossed, and I will then have super fast fibre internet, which means I can do more Facebook Lives because they're not going to be all like a bit odd, because I know what happens at the moment. I'm currently hooked up to the Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is rubbish. If I don't hook up to my Wi-Fi, it's even worse because the signal around here is dreadful. And so, but I literally need you to cross everything that it's going to work out. That we should be in by Christmas and now have super fast Wi-Fi and broadband, and then we will have a weekly Facebook Live. I am damn sure of that, because my life is going to get a whole lot easier. And they're more complicated, but that's another story. That's what I'm going to tell you about tomorrow. So, this coming week, I have a whole week. Last week, I did a whole week of projects using the Dashing Deer bundle, which I have left. Where is it? Where's Dashing Deer? There it is. So, which was this stamp set with this beautiful, beautiful deer on. Christine, that was my secret for tomorrow. I haven't, that one's out the bag now, Christine. yeah, it's all good. So, yeah, this was my stamp set from last week, and I did a whole week's worth of projects using it last week, and there's just go back and check the blog, because I love this. I've used it again this morning because it's so fabulous. But November sees some brand new products launching exclusively in November, only available in November, and they are while supplies last, and they are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It is called the Snowflake. Hold on a second, let me get it. I've got my trusty tablet handy. The Snowflake Showcase set of exclusive products. So, thank you, Christine. Not saying what it was. Some people know and some people don't, but I will be. Blog people, Facebook people that I don't know, you will find out tomorrow. So you've got to check the blog tomorrow, on Monday. Okay. So, Snowflake Showcase, which is 2 fabulous stamp sets and a set of dies and some embellishments and some really fun paper. Now, this, which I've already cut a big chunk out of, this doesn't look like very much, but I will show you it in close up. So I'm going to pan you on down and show you my messy desk. Okay, so I do apologize, because I have been not making anything with you today, but I have been creating this morning. So let's just spin you around and show you exactly what is coming in November. So, right, we had viewings on the flat this week, and I've had to like dismantle my craft room and then put it back together this morning, so everything's a bit wobbly. There we go. I'm not quite in the right place, but it'll do for now. Okay, oh, and my finger on the lens. Oh, yeah, it's all good. So, we have got 2 fabulous stamp sets. This is Snow is Glistening. They are both photopolymer. And this is just beautiful. I am completely in love with this triangular, I'm going to call it a tree, but I have seen some fabulous things where people have stamped it repeatedly and made kind of snowy backgrounds with it and all sorts. I haven't had a proper play with it. I have had a little play. And I have made part of my card for probably Tuesday, which is a complete case of a card by a lovely lady called Christina Warner, who blogs under Star of May, I think, or she used to. And this popped up on my Instagram, and I just fell in love with it. So I have had a bit of a, yeah. So that'll be going on a card. But look at this fabulous kind of tree. It's just beautiful. Love that. So that, and then we have the Happiness Surrounds stamp set, which when I first saw this on the Stampin' Up website, I thought this was my favourite, but I'm not sure if it might be that one. Alright, can we pick favourites? Maybe they're like children, you shouldn't pick. Maybe you shouldn't pick a favourite. But this, I am absolutely in love with. The font is beautiful. And this is the stamp set that I've used for my Inspire Create Challenge blog post, which is coming on Wednesday, which is that sneaky peek card that I showed you. This one's also photopolymer, and they're just beautiful. This is a bit of I think this is kind of a special set of products, because none of it's bundled, so they're all available individually. Like I said, they were not available till Thursday, so on Thursday this lot will go live. There'll be a blog post to let you know, and I'll make it really clear on my Facebook that they've gone live. But we have to go with, both of these stamp sets, we have a set of matching dies. Now, these dies arrived, and I looked at them in the packet and went, oh, that's not a lot of dies. I thought it was going to be more than that. But I then opened it and discovered actually there's 2 sheets. There's so many dies in here, and I can't, there's usually a number on. There's usually a number on. Sorry, I'm getting private messages while I'm on Facebook Live. There's 20 dies in here. I'm trying to read you guys' comments, read private messages, and read the packaging all at the same time. Can't cope with that. But, so there are 20 fabulous dies in here. Some of them match this stamp set. Some of them match this stamp set, and some of them are just, you could totally use for both. I love this. Haven't used that yet. That might be coming at some point this week. Loads of fabulous snowflakes. Loads of duplicates. So we've got like 3 of these ones, 2 leaves. I love the fact that Stampin' Up are now making duplicate dies, so you've got quick die cutting, really, really quick. Love that. So there's those. Then there are some fabulous embellishments. These are the snowflake trinkets, and there's 2 different styles of trinket in here, and they're both just stunning. Look at those. We've got little rhinestones in the middle, very, very pretty. They're lovely. I think you're probably best off attaching those on with like a glue dot or something. Or maybe some hot glue if you're brave. I'm not brave enough for hot glue. I will, but every time I get my hot glue gun out, I burn my fingers. And then we have some special paper, which is what I was flashing at you earlier on. This is our special paper, which on camera looks like nothing. But if I do this, Does that give you a clue? This is velvet textured paper, which is stunning, but you have to have really clean fingers for, because this is one of those kinds of paper where you are going, if you've got not clean fingers, I've got to say, like me, you are going to get inky marks on this. But it is beautiful, and it die cuts just beautifully. This is that kind of velvety side. You can just about see it, I think, if the picture's not blurry, which I know happens on my Facebook Live. It won't happen for very long. Yeah, just beautiful. So there's that. I mean, how stunning is that die? It would look stunning just on white cardstock, but with the velvet paper, it's lovely. And then, so I die cut that bit out, and I thought, I'm going to have a bit of a play with colouring this stuff, because it is a bit strange. And so on my bit of offcut, I have sponged it, which I think is my preferred method of colouring this paper, with a sponge, literally just little circles, or a bit of dabbing. This bit I dabbed, that bit I rubbed over. I think that's probably my preferred method of colouring it. And then I did go at it with some Stampin' Blends, which doesn't blend very well, and if you go too hard, it actually pulls off the texture. And then this was Stampin' Right marker, which also didn't work very well. So sponging works really, really well. I think if you had a spritzer with some alcohol in it and an ink, that would probably work as well. But sponging, I think, is the best method of colouring that. So all of that is coming on the 1st of November. They are all while stocks last products. I think these will go quite quickly, because I think they are absolutely beautiful. Prices and stuff, I cannot remember off the top of my head. So they will all be on my blog on Thursday, when all this stuff, when you can get your hands on all these goodies. You can order them right now, if you want to, by sticking them in a starter kit and joining my team. If you click over to my blog, all the details are over there. I haven't put anything in the description bar for this Facebook Live, because I knew it was going to be a quick one. But I will put them up there later on, when I've finished. And I think that's everything. So let me turn you back round again. Bypass my messy desk. Oh gosh, see, it's awfully messy today. And so that's it. It's probably the quickest Facebook Live ever. It is 10 minutes. I have got a lot of work to do this afternoon, with maybe a bit of, well, actually I haven't got everything made. I haven't got any videos filmed for this week. So I've got 2 videos to do, because this is going to be Mondays. And I need to do one for my blog, my newsletter on Wednesday. If you haven't subscribed to my emails, why not? The link for those, if you're on Facebook, is off to one side. Can't remember which side it is. In that lovely list of things, there's a thing that says subscribe to my emails. Click in there. If you're on Facebook, if you're on my YouTube, or if you're on my blog, the link is in the down bar below. Or it's up there in the menu if you're on my blog. Because, you know, you've got to remember where everything is. That's really tricky. And that's it. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Like I said, this is going to be my last Facebook Live for a little while, while I get things kind of moved. And, yeah, and we get settled and things. So once all of that's out of the way, so it'll probably be the new year before I see you all again, which is such a shame. But it will be in a new space, which will be awesome. So, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to see you again really soon. Bye for now.